Hello everyone, this is Inam here. Thank you for this opportunity, and today I'd like to share with you two initiatives that we have been working on since the past year. First is Project Sheba, and the second one is Cosified.com. So Project Sheba is a volunteerism project to Bangladesh done by 19 students from Singapore Management University. We went there for 21 days. We raised $45,000 for that particular project. And for the 21 days, what we basically did was that the first phase of the project, we went to a remote village in Bangladesh. We brought electricity to the village. We built infrastructure such as a library cum IT center. We trained the teachers in IT skills, and we also did sustainable development for the village. So for sustainable development, what we tried to do was we tried to create skills for the villagers. So the first part was to train them in knitting skills, and the second part was to provide equipment for them. So we provided 10 sewing machines and 10 rickshaw vans for the villagers. And how the NGO is using those equipment is that in the first phase they gave it to 10 families in the villages, and subsequently they are getting these 10 families to pay for those equipment, and once that money is raised, that money will be used to pay for additional 10 rickshaw vans and sewing machines that will be given out to subsequent 10 families. So through this process, they are trying to extend the benefits of the 10 equipment that we provided to the village. Subsequently, we went to the capital of capital of Bangladesh, which is Dhaka, and we did an exhibition there, which was to promote volunteerism in Bangladesh. And the rationale behind that was that countries like Singapore, or even in other developed countries where volunteerism is very much an in thing among the youth, that is not really the case in countries like the third world nation, especially countries Bangladesh, India, and other such nations. So what was our motivation was that we want to we have these concepts of volunteerism in developed countries. We wanted to brought over that to Bangladesh, and we wanted to highlight the benefit of such volunteerism by youth. And in that exhibition, we also gave out a scholarship for the needy students. So that was all that encompasses Project Sheba. And subsequently, after that, we created this new initiative that was Cosified.com. The rationale behind that initiative was that when we started Project Sheba, we realized that there wasn't much information about good NGOs. So there was a problem that we faced, and that was our motivation for this particular site that we created. Through this site, we are trying to get volunteers from all over the world to share about volunteerism activities within their local community, and through that we are trying to highlight the power of youth volunteerism, and also some of the NGOs that are running those activities, so that if people, or even youth like us, if they want to do volunteerism in future, they will know which NGO to work with. So I hope to get an opportunity to be there, share more about these two initiatives that we are currently working on, and I will see you guys there. Thanks a lot.